Here's how to use a Bank of America ATM. As you can see right here, this is just an ATM by Bank of America where you can actually do just cash and deposits into this bank. Now, I recommend using a Bank of America card because it gives you 0% commission fee. Typically, it's like 3 to 4% depending if you do not have a Bank of America card. But the first thing that you actually want to do is you just want to put your credit card or debit card into here, and it will actually activate it, connect it, link it to your account. These are the cards that it accepts: Visa Plus, NCY, MasterCard, etc. And you just want to put the card in there and just enter in your PIN if you have one. Not all cards have one. It doesn't require a PIN, but if you have one, just put it in. And then from here, it will give you access to the screen where you can actually just link your card to this ATM. And once you do that, you can withdraw cash. You can even deposit cash into this ATM by inserting cash or a check into this deposit right here. And it will actually give you the cash out right here, the take cash out option. And when you're done, you just want to remove your card after you click cancel or end transaction on the screen. And this will actually end your deposit. And just remember to take your card. It's easy to forget cash or card. Just make sure you're still not logged in. And yeah, you can even tap your card. Hopefully you found this helpful. This is how you use a Bank of America ATM where you can do cash in deposits. It's pretty easy to do. Yeah.